Hello everyone, myself Amol Patil, and today's date 22nd of February 2023. I'm going to discuss what is the exception and their different types of exception. First of all, exception is nothing but that's the unwanted condition or a situation that may lead to terminate or program abnormally. Means by that a certain condition that's like a restriction condition, and by due to that condition our program will not successfully runs. And there are two types of exception, like check exception and uncheck exception. Check exception is a also we have got a compile time check exception, because it compiler check that the exception has a compile time. In a compile time exception there has a certain types like SQL exception, file not found exceptions, and other also. As a we have doing a program to some certain operation, and we need to import some files, but we have not declared in our program, and there has our program will directly show our a red line in our Eclipse or VS Code, like that platform. Red line, that's the red line shows, that red line shows the exception at the compile time. This is nothing but the compile time exception, that is check exception. And remaining one is a uncheck exception. Uncheck exception is a check at the runtime. Is also called as a runtime exception, because it is not check at the compile time, it is a check at the execution time. When we execute our program and there has some unwanted condition, that's not that is a restricted code, that is shown in our runtime exception. And in a runtime exception, for example, there is a like arithmetic exceptions, array index out of bounds exception, string index out of bounds exceptions. In a arithmetic exception, we have also gives the example for like suppose we have doing operation in our program by divide by 0 to certain value, then that is a answer in a real life is a unlimited or infinity. But in program there has a no there is a bounds index of arithmetic exception. So to resolve that problem, we have Java introduced catch try and catch block, also finally throws. Throws also we have to handle that the condition, and the their difference is a main, like that is the compile time check and it is a runtime check. And for our also example, like in a runtime exception, there is a like suppose our array has in 5 length, and we have checking that's the index of 7th, there has no element on the 7th, so that is array index out of bound exception, that is the part of runtime exception, that is unchecked exception. So this is from my side. Thank you.